The two original officers, once again, they tried to de-escalate the situation, and that's what was taking place. Looking at the videotapes, it's clear. Jeremy did not fire any weapon. He didn't threaten verbally to shoot anybody. Instead, this young man needed help. But things took a dramatic turn for the worse and ultimately became deadly when the responding officers came to the scene. Instead, those officers with their rifles immediately went to deadly force. Now imagine they were dealing with the same set of circumstances as the first two officers who never fired a shot. These responding officers took it upon themselves, fired one shot. The video shows Jeremy was hit in the chest with this high-powered rifle. He immediately collapsed to the ground, and the firearm skipped across the ground and was laying 10 or so at least feet away from him. 4 minutes passed by with Jeremy bleeding out on the concrete without receiving any type of medical attention. After those 4 minutes passed and Jeremy apparently regained consciousness, he started to stir. And as he stirred and moved, a second officer fired the second shot into his back as he began to make what appeared to be one of the most slightest movements of essentially raising himself off of his gunshot wound. That second shot was unnecessary. The law in California clearly states now that an officer can only use deadly force when it is necessary. We contend, and we believe the videotape shows, that second shot was not only unnecessary, it was criminal. As you can see here, Jeremy was a significant distance, 10 feet or more, away from the firearm. There was no reason for the officer to take a kill shot, striking this young man in his back.
The shooting officer took it upon himself to decide that because Jeremy was a young black man with the past, that his life was worthless. My brother's life was not worthless, and my family remember him every day as a kind, funny, compassionate man who loved his family and friends. I miss him every single day, and I can't get him out of my head. I see every night, I revisit this night where he got shot, and I hear it every day. I hear the echoes of the shot ringing through my apartments. And it's something that it's going to be really hard for me to ever get over. Jeremy is the only family that I've ever been close with, and now I'm alone. And that's because the Sac PD decided to play executioner and take him from me.